Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect a wallet to Dex Screener. In order to do it, you just have to simply come to dexscreener.com, and over here in the bottom left hand section, you will be able to see this sign in option. So you need to click on sign in and it will give you a bunch of different options to sign in on Dex Screener, like with the help of your email account and your Apple ID. But since you want to connect a wallet, you just have to simply select the third option of connect wallet, and from this list you can connect your MetaMask wallet, Rainbow wallet and wallet connect. So make sure you have any of these wallet extension in your web browser and you have logged in or imported your wallet. So since I have MetaMask, so I'm going to click on MetaMask account, and as you can see that it is showing me gate wallet. So over here you just have to simply click on the create and import, and if you have a wallet over here, you just have to simply click on the import private key, and then you need to provide your private key and import your wallet. Or if you don't want to do it, you can even create a wallet. So you just have to simply type or create a password, then you just have to simply confirm the password here and then click on the create option. So as you can see that my wallet is successfully created on gate, and here you need to select MetaMask and wait for some time until it shows you further options. So most probably it will give you the approve option, so you just have to simply click on the approve and then confirm, and this way you will be able to easily connect your wallet with Dex Screener. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.